There was a time when saving information meant opening more tabs, more tools, more windows, more chaos, until nothing was clear anymore. Flashback changes that from the very first screen, your second brain, a system designed to capture everything instantly. 20 tabs open. Now imagine this: 20 tabs open, all AI tools, all useful, all competing for your attention. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Runway, Pika, Midjourney. You don't manage them anymore, you extract them. First actions. You open the first tab, ChatGPT. You copy the link, you paste it into Flashback. The system understands, title appears, description forms, you save. And it's there. You close the tab. Next, Claude, copy. Paste, enter. Information loads, you save. Close. Gemini, copy. Paste, enter. Save, close. Step by step, you are not browsing anymore, you are building. Now, we accelerate. Runway, Pika, Midjourney, Stability AI, copy, paste, enter, save, again and again and again. This is where it changes. Tabs were never meant to be permanent. They slow you down, they overload your system, they fragment your focus. Flashback removes that friction. Everything in one place. Structured, searchable, controlled. Organization power. You can reorder your tools, move them, group them, prioritize what matters. And now, you add meaning. You attach notes. Midjourney, design, visual generation, image workflows. Save. Your tools are no longer just links. They become knowledge. Visual control. You zoom out, increase density. Now you see everything at once. Or you zoom in, focus on what matters now. Final message. No more switching between tabs. No more searching through history. No more slowing down your system or your thinking. Everything you need is already here. This is not tab management. This is control. This is Flashback, your second brain. Wir freuen uns zu sehen, was Sie daraus machen.